Alright, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to do a teardown of the DS Lite top screen. We are going to have a look at how it's made, how it comes together and see how it works. So let's get started. It's actually very interesting actually. There's lots of layers into making up the screen. So first thing, I'll take it out from the bottom, and to take it out we basically just use a sharp knife, and we would just break off from the edge, just go around the edges and push those sides, and then pop the piece out. It comes out like that. There's two pieces of tape that holds it in, and also it holds in by friction as well. So next we turn this around and we take the next layer off, and again just get a knife and break around the edges. And then that layer comes off. Actually I missed a step where there was another cable on the back of this. You would need to just desolder the wire, the piece of electrical wires, and that comes off. So now up to here, and we can also take this back piece off as well. So basically it's adhered down with some more tape. You will need to pull this back. There is a cable there to power the LEDs. Careful not to break them. So you pull it out like this, and again also you get a knife bend around the edges, and you would just need to push out, and the back metal piece comes out. It's just pretty much a metal sheet, and we have this. So on the back there's a reflective layer, and when you open it you have the first layer. This layer is connected to the main wires. You can fold it down. You look really closely, you can see the wires are connected on the bottom here, and that connects to the copper wires here. And I think all the graphics are being configured and displayed on the front screen. The back screen is essentially, it's mainly diffuser layers and polarizing filters to help control the light. So there's actually quite a lot of layers. So there's this layer, to take it out, it's not connected to any of the electronics. Let me get these out. It's stuck to this black sticky thing around the corner edges. So this sheet is interesting. It's sort of see-through, but it's like a magnifying sort of film. I think it's like another polarizing layer to help distribute the light. So let me get all of that out for you. So we have another layer, and this one's similar to the last one. It's a interesting piece of material. Okay, this is stuck to the metal bit as well, so I have another one. Alright, okay, that popped out now as well. Alright, so you can see this pop all the way out. You can see the copper wires connecting to the front panel. And what's interesting is we have this mirror layer. We can remove that by pushing on the back. And this layer is essentially like a mirror. It is just meant to reflect the light. Alright, so this back screen, it is basically essentially made out of 4 LEDs on the bottom here. And it points the light towards this plastic layer to spread the light on the screen. So right now I'm going to go ahead and connect that to the DS Lite, and to show you how the light works. So we'll connect this back into when you connect this, make sure you push it all the way in. The corners need to be on the edges. Alright, we're good to go. Let me fold this up, and hopefully it's all working. It's powered on. Alright, there you go. So the screen connects to the speakers, and you have the screen, and basically there's 4 LEDs there, and the LEDs are connected by these 2 wires here, and a whole bunch of copper wires are connected to the front screen. Now if you look this way, you can see some of the graphics. Yeah, this screen has a problem with it already, so I'm just gonna break it off, open it. This screen, it doesn't receive the data, so you got the front screen, it's connected on the bottom here with very tiny connection. And if we put these back on, I'll put the mirror on the back. You can see the panel, how the panel works. You got a mirror layer, and then you have this whole bunch of diffusers and polarizing filters. And when you put it on, it really diffuses the light well. Alright, there you go. That's the disassembly of the front screen of the top screen of the DS Lite. I think it's a TN LCD screen. It has liquid displays here, and that's controlling how the light passes through and presents the information. Yep, that's how the top panel LCD works. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe.